8 animals with incredible fasting abilities. In the animal kingdom, some creatures have evolved extraordinary abilities to survive long periods without food. These fasting champions can endure extreme conditions, showcasing remarkable adaptations that allow them to thrive even when resources are scarce. 1. Crocodile, the patient predator. Crocodiles can survive for up to a year without food due to their slow metabolism and ability to store fat in their bodies. These apex predators often lie in wait, conserving energy until the perfect moment to strike. They can go into a state of torpor, slowing their metabolism even further during periods of food scarcity. This adaptation allows them to endure long fasting periods while maintaining their strength for hunting. 2. Emperor penguin, the enduring parent. Emperor penguins endure harsh Antarctic winters, fasting for up to 4 months while they incubate their eggs. During this period, male penguins rely on their fat reserves to survive the extreme cold and lack of food. After the females lay their eggs, they go to sea to feed, leaving the males to protect and incubate the eggs in temperatures as low as -76°F. The male penguins huddle together for warmth and rely solely on their stored body fat, losing nearly half of their body weight by the time the females return. 3. Bear, the hibernation specialist. Bears, especially species like the grizzly and black bear, enter a state of hibernation during the winter months. During this period, they can go without food for up to 7 months, living off their stored body fat. Before hibernation, bears eat excessively to build up fat reserves. Their metabolism slows down dramatically and their heart rate and body temperature drop. This allows them to conserve energy and survive the winter without eating, drinking, urinating, or defecating. 4. Camel, the desert survivor. Camels are well known for their ability to go without food for several weeks. Their humps store fat, which can be converted into energy and water, enabling them to survive in arid desert environments where food and water are often limited. Camels can endure extreme dehydration, losing up to 25% of their body weight in water without suffering severe effects. Their ability to metabolize fat into energy and water makes them incredibly resilient in harsh conditions. 5. Snail, the dormant dweller. Some species of snails can enter a state of estivation, a type of dormancy during dry or hot periods. They can survive without food for months by significantly slowing their metabolism and sealing themselves inside their shells to retain moisture. Snails produce a special mucus that hardens into a protective barrier, reducing water loss. This adaptation allows them to endure extended periods of drought until favorable conditions return. 6. Python, the long-fasting reptile. Pythons have an incredible ability to go without food for extended periods, sometimes up to a year. They rely on their slow metabolism and ability to store large amounts of energy from their meals. After consuming a large prey item, pythons can slow their metabolic rate by up to 70%, allowing them to efficiently utilize the stored energy over several months. This adaptation is crucial for surviving in environments where prey is not always abundant. 7. Shark, the efficient hunter. Certain shark species, like the great white shark, can survive for weeks or even months without eating. They rely on their efficient hunting strategies and ability to metabolize their stored fat reserves. Great white sharks have large livers filled with oil that provide energy during periods of food scarcity. This adaptation allows them to travel long distances in search of prey and endure periods when hunting is not successful. 8. Gila Monster, the venomous survivor. This venomous lizard, found in the southwestern United States and northern Mexico, can survive for several months without food. They have a slow metabolism and can store fat in their large tails. This adaptation allows them to endure long periods of food scarcity, relying on their fat reserves to provide energy. Gila monsters typically feed infrequently but consume large meals, which helps them sustain their energy levels over extended periods.